Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I just want to talk to you guys about some of my home buying clients. So if you guys don't know, I have my home buying program. I definitely want you guys to join my home buying program. But a lot of people that's been signing up for my home buying program, I see that you guys really don't know like the true requirements. So some clients like, Rickita, I heard you can buy a house with a 500 credit score. Can I get into a home now because they got a 534? And I tell them, no, let's not get into a house right now, because if you was to try to get an FHA loan with that 500 credit score, they're going to require that you put 10% down. And on top of that, they're going to give you a extremely high interest rate. And then they're going to dig all into your finances, all into your credit. It's just going to be so hard. If you guys really want to know what credit score you should have, I always tell people to try to at least have like a 640. If you aim for a 640, you can get almost any type of loan. And on top of getting any type of loan, you know, you can do a lot of automatic approvals like with the USDA. If you have a 640 loan, you can go through their, you can get an automatic approval through the system without even having a human look at it. And they're not going to dig deep into a lot of your credit reports, a lot of your documentations, because your credit score is already so high that they kind of trust you. So try to have like a 640 credit score. And if you guys have a 640 credit score and you're looking to buy a home, definitely call me because I can help you with that process. And don't forget too, you're able to get a house with a 580 credit score. I'm not saying you can't do that. It's just best if you have a higher credit score. But make sure you guys join my home buying program. You guys will see the link down in the description. And make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you next video.